Two very similar exercises, but a lot of people don't know the difference between the two. I'm going to go over the Romanian deadlift first, then the stiff leg deadlift after, and I'll kind of explain the differences between the two. Romanian deadlift is typically done out of a rack or on top of a box. Some people have wood boxes. We got these risers over here. Anything really works as long as you can support the weight you're using. And the idea is you want to walk out from the rack or the box before you do your RDL. The range of motion is also very different, and the position where the bar is as well. So let's go over that right now. So first things first, I want to walk right up to the bar. Knees are going to touch it. It's going to be a little bit above your knee. Could be even below if you want, but I like it above because it's a little easier. You're going to make sure your hands are nice and close, right under your shoulder. Feet are going to be about hip width stance, okay? You don't want to be too narrow, nor do you want to be too wide because it's going to make the actual hinge very awkward. So from here, I'm going to hip hinge. I'm going to brace my core. If you guys don't know how to do those things, we have videos in the description for you all. When you're ready, you're going to stand on up, and we're going to walk out of the block or the rack. Make sure it's 2 to 3 steps, okay? Too many steps, it's too much energy being wasted, and that's going to really matter when you get up to the heavier weight. So I'm going to step back, just like so. I want to just clear the box more or less. From here, all we're going to do is do a proper hip hinge, and we're going to keep the bar nice and tight to the body, okay? So I'm going to shoot my hips back. I'm going to push my knees out, and I'm going to stop about mid-knee level. And I'm going to extend my hips to come on up. Let's do 5 of these. So I take that deep breath in. I brace. I'm going to push my knees out as I hip hinge. Drive my hips forward to do it, just like so. One more. Boom, just like that, okay? Looks simple, but you got to remember a couple of things. When you're doing your RDL, most of your weight it's got to push back, okay? I don't want to push my knees into the bar, which will turn it to a quad exercise, and it's going to add the load to your spine. You also want to keep it nice and tight to the body, okay? Just like so. So if you bring it out here and your hands start drifting towards your toes, you got to engage your shoulder blades, okay? So you want to go into what we call scapular depression, and I'm going to keep it nice and tight to the body as I do the lift. So that is the Romanian deadlift. Okay, now for the stiff leg deadlift. Now, with the stiff leg deadlift, you actually start from the floor, and the bar position is going to be actually closer to your toes. This is why the details matter. I'm going to turn the bar so you all can see it. Now you got the side view. I'm not going to be as close as I usually am. I might even bring it back a little bit and have the toes lined up with the bar like so. The mechanic is still the same. I'm going to do my full hip hinge, but as you notice, I still keep the knees nice and straight. Some people can get it all the way here. I don't feel like you need to do that. You can get it to more of a vertical position. I would avoid, though, pushing the knees forward because that's just a conventional deadlift, okay? So at least vertical shins or further back, depending on your flexibility and abilities. I personally like a vertical position because it's a nice balance of strength to flexibility. I'm going to take that deep breath in, brace nice and hard, and I'm going to deadlift from here. Very different position, but the movement is still the same. I'm still hip hinging, I'm still extending, but I'm going to start from the ground and a little bit ahead of me, just like so. It's a lot more on the posterior chain and the spinal erector, so you need quite a bit of flexibility and stability before you can attempt this. Big difference between the two. The RDL, I find you can lift a lot more weight, way less stretch, and I find it's way more glute and upper back activation, particularly in the lats, because you gotta keep it nice and close. With the stiff leg, you get a crazy deep stretch and a lot of spinal erector activation. So when you're doing this exercise, make sure you know the difference between the two. Understand, one, you're gonna lift a little bit more weight on the RDL, while the stiff leg deadlifts can be a little bit less. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll see you next time.